Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, let's get started with today's reward. It was water. Um, Not too bad, about 50% win. Had to do probably about 12 battles to get it. So let's go ahead and still not the silver 2 yet. Should be today. Tonight I'll have more time to play. Let's see. It wasn't working this morning that good, so I don't know if a lot of people are playing because of towards the end of the season or it's my part of the world. But anyway, while we're waiting for that to open up, let's take a look at the dashboard. This is on Peak Monsters, and I don't know if that's going to open up today. The If you look at the numbers, they're pretty, just a steady, stable, and even though I'm not a big chart guy, I do but for certain data, it's fine because it only shows you what it's done in the past, and so I don't try to make decisions off of that. But the 400,000 players has been pretty much just steady. We got a hardcore 400,000 people, 1,240 signups on a daily average, for a total of 40,000 in the last since the beginning of the month. That's a lot. That's still good for as bad as things are. That's the number I wanted to show you. That's a good sign um, when things are bad, because when things are bad, people don't want to do anything. It's a psychological thing. I've talked about this a ton of times in all my videos. And then when the prices start skyrocketing, then you'll see these numbers just go up. In fact, I might start keeping track of this number and writing it down with my numbers, just to prove that. And so, but the showing that it's stabilized is a good, strong indicator in any market, in absolutely any market. The SPS token, a high of 13 cents, a low of 0.97. That's been like that pretty much the whole time I've been in it. But the market cap on SPS keeps going up because they keep dropping. So that's good. That's going to end in about another 100 days. Let's see if I'm opened up here yet. Okay, here we go. We got 2 chest card, nice. I just completed that maxed out set right there, and there's a new start on a new one. So what I'll do is combine these two, and which means it will destroy them or burn them, and then you'll have one card. So that's 2 cards that's going to be out of circulation, replaced with one, so a net of 1. So I'm not doing the packs no more. So let's go look at my numbers. Splinterlands at 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands at all, just me doing it. Here's the rules I go by. Day 116. Uh, Tomorrow, I put in another $10. I've been putting $10 in every other day. At the beginning, I was doing it different, but it got too complex trying to track every cent that I spent. So it was better just to come up with a total, excuse me, and then just add it. And $10 is my budget. That's all I can afford. Um, and it's all transparent. You can see I started filming about a month after I joined, just February 7th. Here's my numbers, the value, the number of cards, PowerPoints, and the profit. And as I started filming, the prices started dropping on everything, just like on everything else, crypto, stocks. So with me, and I was taking the $10 and buying 2 packs, which was $8. And then with the $2 left over, I'd buy potions. And then any money is left over, I'd buy some cards. Okay. So as I was opening the packs up, the value of the cards had dropped to the point where I was only getting, on average, 50 cents to 75 cents value out of the packs if I didn't get anything really good. And it was killing my numbers. So I decided to stop opening packs a week ago and just go buy directly from the market, which gives you more control. And it's been the results have been remarkable. And as the cards prices come up, so that I'm getting at least $3 to $4 of value out of the packs when I open one. Then I'll go back to packs because I love to open packs. There's plenty of packs. You're not running out of packs anytime soon. But anyway, I'll go slow. You can pause this and see all my numbers. And of course, SPS has been coming down the whole time, eating into my profit on the SPS, which they're dropping for free right now. So let's go all the way to today. So this is the result. You can see exactly when I stopped buying the packs, and my value has just gone up and up. My boxes, 2745, 128 cards. That means I've burnt 2,745 cards, took them out of circulation, and because these are all NFTs, and made 128 cards out of it. Now I've sold other ones, so I've even got more than that. But if you sell them, you're not taking them out of circulation; you're just selling. But here's the big notice difference. I would go up a little bit when I open the packs. Ever since I started buying directly, I go up 3,500 points at a time with a new all-time high today. Now I didn't put the $10 in yesterday, of course, and I went up 200 points because I'm using my rental money to buy more cards. 96,830, new record for me. As of tomorrow, I might be 100,000. SPS dropped last night, so I lost $3 in value, even though I gained 8 SPS. But still, look at the profit even started to go back up. So it was a good strategical move, is what I'm saying. You got to be flexible. You got to pay attention to your market. I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me on risk. This is entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe. Join any of the links below. I really appreciate it. But the numbers show everything that, especially this one, even if you're not doing it here at the point of time, whenever you're making moves and this number's going up, that's a good thing. Now, I did change my strategy from I sold a lot of legendaries to get gold summoners because I decided gold summoners are the gatekeepers. You got to have them. They're cheap as hell right now for being a gold summoner at the rare level. I don't have either the foil or the legendary dragon gold foil, not yet. I will get it, but it really hit my numbers. But in the long run, I'm getting 10% for each gold card that you use. There's 7 slots counting the summoner, so that's 70% bonus you get whenever you use them in battle to win free SPS. So it was a move. But anyway, that wrecked my numbers because the legendaries power points were a lot more than the summoners. But I've readjusted, and now it's moving in the right direction again. And if I sold everything today, I'd walk away with $170. That's after I pay myself back the $694. So I'd end up with $800 before taxes and a profit of 170. So it's going good, even though it doesn't seem like it. Things are just down right now. The markets are really weird. It's like they're being suppressed. Every time they try to jump up, they just get hammered. And that's, to me, that's big boy shit going on. There's powers going on that I just don't understand. But anyway, so that's just what I wanted to talk about today. I will be back tomorrow. We got the season ending in 2 days here, and hopefully I'll be up to at least a silver 1. I was hoping to get to gold 3, but it doesn't. Something's changed in the gameplay. Last season, the cards that I have, and I've gotten more powerful cards since then. They're matching up better against me than it used to, and I don't know why that is. I don't know what's changed. Because I'm using the same cards I did last time, and I'm just having a harder time. At this time last season, I was already silver 1, and it's just like I'll win a couple battles and then get hammered back. I'll lose 6 in a row, and so I'll try to change up the strategy, and I'll take the blame. I'm still learning how to play the game, but something in the algorithm or I don't know. It's just what worked last season isn't working the same as it is this season. So that's for me to figure out. But this is still something you want to be involved in. I believe this is going to be uh, a lot of good news is coming. We've already gotten a lot of good news, but a lot of things are going to be implemented that's going to put a lot of pressure on the markets, and especially the vouchers. If you have any vouchers, you're going to be sitting pretty, because I've only got 3 as we speak. They're hard to get without having to buy them, and you get them for free if you stake any SPS, which I do. And here, let's go look at it real quick, and I'll let you go. They're doing it, the airdrop, every day at about 11, and what they do is just take a snapshot. And that number that I showed you, the PowerPoint number, collection power, that determines and I'm getting about 7.5 a day. Plus, I'm getting every minute they add up your staked, so I'm getting more that way. The problem is the price keeps dropping, so it doesn't look like I'm going. It's like I'm running up a hill with sand. So they're so here's the vouchers. Where are they at? It's on the other page. But anyway, for the amount that you have staked is the amount of vouchers you get, and it's not a lot for me right now because they're only giving out 20,000. But what's coming up with the nodes that they're distributing, they're like $1,000 a piece, maybe a couple thousand. They're only dropping 20,000 a day. There's not enough vouchers to go around, because each purchase is going to suck up 500 vouchers. So these might sky up to like $5 to $10 maybe, and that I'm probably going to sell them for that and reinvest in my business side of this. So anyway, there it is for today. There's a snapshot. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments below, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.